how to put last name and page number on Word on your Mac. So if you want to add a page number and a last name on each page of your Word document on your Mac, I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's very easy. First, come up to Insert, then drop down Page Number, then select Page Number here. Now here you can choose the location. I'll do it at the top of page. Then we can choose the position. I'll keep it on the right. We can then I'll then press OK. And here at the top you can see the page number has been added. All you need to do to add the surname or the last name is to double click it, then add the last name. I'll put it like that. Then click away. Now when you press enter and keep going down, as you can see, last name and number 2, last name and number 3, number 4, and so on. So that's how to put the last name and page number on Word on the Mac. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.